Welcome back to Spring Valley Outdoors. Thanks for watching. Here's a couple of duck hunting videos that we did in the past 4 days. Duck season started, so here we are. Got a few ducks, and I'm pretty happy with the way the season's turning out. We also did a bunch of deer sits. So we tried to get a duck with the bow. Fortunately, I was a little low. Probably too close. But had a great season so far shooting at them, and had a 5-point in a bush next to me at like 10 yards, which was pretty cool. Never even saw me. Had a bunch of doe come right out on the stand, which was also awesome. No spooking of deer in the recent past, so it's a good sign. More videos to come here. We're going to New York in 2 weeks, beginning of November, for the brown trout. Super excited about catching some brown trout. I shouldn't say the opener, but it's the time for the big browns to spawn and run through the Lake Erie tribs. So we'll be up there. Here's some geese that all came into the spread, and of course you can't shoot them, but it was really cool to see that many geese work, all from coming off the water back to water, which is strange. It was awesome, but unfortunately that's the way she goes when you are out of season, so you can just enjoy the videoing. Well, I just had 10 to probably 15 geese just land right in on a spinner, which only happens when you can't shoot geese. But I called them and hauled them. Yo. Bloomp. Huh? Here's some little sandpipers. They were all coming in flocks, which was really neat to see. They were right below the blind eating. And next clip is 2 doe came in, looked like young fawns, all bleeding. Very strange. Never seen so many bleats in a row, but cool. placed the decoy right in. Brought the bow just in case a big buck comes out. I've had the beaver been smacking his tail the entire time I've been here. But I'm sure the deer are used to that when they walk up to him too. Trying to keep it quiet here. I literally saw this next bird drop and then my gun jammed, but I didn't get him. I don't know how it happened or what, but it was very strange.
Hold. Sit.
Here, a bunch of woodies flew right over me, and I wasn't even ready. Probably would have been a great shot, but that's the way duck hunting goes.
Heel. Get over here. Sit.
We popped up a couple pheasants here. It was very strange to pop up pheasants out on the duck island, so it was a fun time. We got 4 up out of season, but it was neat to see. And
come, hold, good boy, hold.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Come,
got a mallard
come,
here that swam in the
hold,
spread.
good boy.
Beautiful duck.
That's a good boy. He's got a good boy.
Definitely
That's a good duck. Stay, stay, stay.
Elizondo says the Pentagon was able to establish a larger pattern.
Again, there's tons of hours that go into this, and every video is almost something that you have to delete, so it takes so long to get these shots
Mark
on video. Please subscribe to the videos. I try not to bore anyone with talking and a bunch of vlogging and things of that nature. That's not me. I just want to get down into the action and watch action, so I try to provide it for you guys. Thanks for watching.
Damn you.